Hello everyone, my name is Precious Perez Presley and this is my friend
Nathan Rosin.
This is our second project, namely Save Your Life from Car Accident. This is how to play the game. You need to drive the car safely. You need to stop if the gate isn't go up. If the gate go up, you can move. You need to drive safely. If not, the car will crash.
And try again.
And you need to try again to get a score over here.
Okay, let's try again.
The car safely go down, but the car didn't get any score. Now is X, but if the car hit, you will get love and you win. That's all from us. Thank you and see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.